Dear learners, Assalamu alaikum. Think you all are much better by the grace of Almighty Allah in the adverse situation of coronavirus. Light Fair School opens online class for the betterment of the students. I am Fazli Rabbi. Today with English first paper, Unit 8, Lesson 4C. It's a very important passage for the exam. Let us read the passage first and solve the question related with the passage. Lake Baikal is the deepest and one of the biggest and most ancient lakes of the world. It is situated almost in the center of Asia. Lake Baikal is a gigantic bowl set at 445 meters above sea level. This grand, enormous, unusual and charming miracle of nature is located in the south of eastern Siberia, in the Buryat Autonomous Republic and region of Arkhangelsk, Russia. This lake covers 31,500 square kilometers. It is 636 kilometers long and an average of 48 kilometers wide. The widest point of the lake is 79.4 kilometers. The water basin occupies 5,57,000 square kilometers and contains 23,000 cubic kilometers of water, which is about 1/5 of the world's reserves fresh surface water. The average water level in the lake is never higher than 456 meters. The average depth of Lake Baikal is 730 meters and its maximum depth in the middle is 1620 meters. It would take about 1 year for all the rivers of the world to fill Baikal's basin and would take 400 years for all the rivers, streams and brooks now flowing into Siberian Lake Sea to do the same. There are hot springs in the surrounding area of Lake Baikal. The quality of the water of these springs is excellent. The lake acts as a powerful generator and biofilter, producing this water. Baikal is a stormy lake. Autumn is the most stormy time. The wind blows in various directions. The weather depends on the wind. If it is blowing from the north, the weather is bright and sunny. The water of the lake looks green and dark blue. But if the winds get stronger, Baikal turns black. Waves rising high with white crest. The beauty of Lake Baikal is exceptional. Okay, dear learners, we have read the passage thoroughly. Now we should know some critical word meaning from this passage. Some word meanings like this: ancient. We get the word ancient. Lakes. Ancient means antique, very old. Another word that is gigantic. Gigantic means huge, large. Another word that is enormous, huge, vast. Another is charming. Charming means catchy, delightful. Another word, miracle of nature. Miracle means wonderful, supernatural. Reserve is a word. Reserve means preserve or store. Excellent means outstanding, brilliant. Generator means producer, maker. Stormy lake means stormy, violent weather, windy. Brilliant, bright means brilliant, vivid. Dark means gloomy, dim, gloomy. Okay, these are the critical word meaning from this passage. Think you all will read the passage carefully and give some answer related to this passage. I shall give you some homework. You will complete this and send me as soon as possible. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.